Alright, last question. Essential skill number 8, exponential functions. Also, we revisit growth. Ask us to find every face of this function. So they give us the words. And the easiest way to go is start with a table. So even before we begin, which means 0 rounds, we have 64 teams. And each time you play a round, well, 2 teams play, so 1 disappears. The teams get cut in half. So after 1 round, oh boy, look at this pretty fast. Let's go back. After 1 round, you have 32 teams. After 2 rounds, you're down to 16. They're getting cut in half. 3 rounds, 8. 4 rounds, 4. 5 rounds, 2. 6 rounds, 1. So right here, you could have enough to answer the how many rounds does it take to find a winner. 6 rounds, which is the NCAA tournament, tennis tournament, any sports tournament is pretty much like this when you have 2 teams playing. Wimbledon, they're all like this. So all of those are actually exponential functions. They're not growth. In this case, this is an example of exponential decay. And what happens is everything gets multiplied by 1/2. So the equations that a lot of people got were similar, but you want to kind of stick with the standard format. I gave everybody credit for what they had. If it was like 64 divided by 2 to the x power, which is not wrong, but when we stick to the standard form, it will be y equals 64 times 1/2, the multiplying ratio to the x power. So and some people forgot their equal signs. It's not an equation unless you have the equal sign. Alright, so that's the actual equation of that function. And the graph does a little bit. This one you actually have to plot out and be specific because it curves like this. Okay, and then is that all? Yeah, that's pretty much it. We started with our words. Here's our table. Here's our equation / rule, and here's our graph. Have all 4 faces. All right. Hopefully that's sinking in because the rest of the year we'll be covering this. Okay.